Now this question says 30% of the people in the hall were children, which means to say that 3 over 10 of the people were children, because 30% expressed as fraction is 3 over 10. Which means to say that the denominator 10 is denominator 10 is referring to 10 units of the people, total people, and with 10 units of total people, 3 units belongs to children, so we put it down in the model. Alright, and the rest must be women and men. The next statement says the number of men was 10% more than the number of children. Convert into fraction, it means men was 1/10 more than children. That means we want the model of the children to be 10 parts. And then men having 1 part more, that means men had 11 parts. So when men have 11 parts, the balance of the model belongs to women. And we are given that total number of women was 259, so we put it down in the model. Okay, and looking at this part of the model, 3 units is equivalent to 10 parts. The LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. So we cut each unit into 10 blocks and each part into 3 blocks. We do so that now we don't see units and parts, but only one common term as blocks, so that we can do comparison. Sometimes we don't want to cut the models because it makes it look untidy. Alright, so what we can do is we do some simple calculation and put in the equivalent blocks to represent the units and parts. For instance, for total number of people, there were altogether 10 units. 1 unit is 10 blocks, therefore 10 units is 100 blocks. So for children's 10 parts, 1 part is 3 blocks, so for 10 parts is 30 blocks. Men here is 11 parts, so it's 33 blocks. Okay, then comparing the model on top and the bottom, straight away we know that the number of women is equal to 100 blocks minus 30 blocks from children, 33 blocks from men, add up 63. So 100 minus 63 blocks, that gives us 37 blocks. So this 37 blocks of women is equivalent to 259. Alright, given by the questions. And we take 259 divided by 37 to find 1 block. So 1 block is equal to 7 people. If 1 block is 7 people, question asks how many people were there in the hall altogether. There were altogether 100 blocks of people. So we take 7 multiplied by 100. That gives us 700 people. So the answer to the questions, there were 700 people in the hall. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.